So, g'day guys and welcome back to another video. So, you're probably wondering what the hell am I going to be doing with this watermelon and this fire. So, as you've guessed by the title, and I'm guessing that's why you're here, is today I'm going to be cooking hot dogs inside of this watermelon on this fire. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the top of it to make a nice little lid, dig out the insides, keep them for later. I'll eat them another time, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, you never know. But then I'm going to put this on the fire, fill it up with water, put the hot dogs inside, put the lid back on, and then we're going to boil hot dogs, have some nice hot dogs for dinner. But as you can see, we've probably only got about an hour worth of sunlight left. So anyway, let's get right into it. Yo! Alright, so I got me filleting knife. So the plan is we'll go from about here, I reckon. This knife's sharp. Alright. So I'll try and gently, there we go, look at that. Wish I filleted fish as good as that. That looks juicy, man. Alright, so now I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna fillet out the inside of this fillet a watermelon. Never thought I'd say that before, but damn, I'm definitely saving this because that looks juicy. Alright, spatula will do. Oh, damn, that looks good. Alright, so the watermelon's all hollowed out. There's the nice watermelon flesh that I'm going to dig into later. But, so, got this. So, my mum gave me this nice little horseshoe stand here, so this is going to be perfect. So, look at that. So, what I'm going to do is fill that with water, and then we'll let it boil. So, just fill this with water a bit. So, I reckon about there. We'll just use a lot. Alright, so it's nice and full of water. So I'll chuck the lid back on it and I'll keep feeding sticks under it to get it hotter and hotter as we go along. Let it boil and then we'll chuck in our hot dogs and then hopefully we've got some dinner. So I'm a little bit nervous because I've never done this before, so I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see how it goes. So yeah, don't skip it, watch all the way through and see if you can enjoy the taste. Well, you can't literally enjoy it, but you know, enjoy it as much as I do. So let's do it. So I picked up this packet of hot dogs here pretty cheap, so that worked out pretty well. But the water's nice and hot, so we'll get out 3 of them, and yeah, we'll take off the lid, chuck them in. Oh yeah, she's hot. All right, got the 3 hot dogs. Looking them in there. The water's already boiling, so shouldn't be too long. Seal that nice and tight. Well, let's go. All right, so I can hear them bubbling away over there, so we're just gonna cut this like that. That's one. There we go, perfect, mate. All that. All right, so in just a minute I'm going to take the lid off that. We'll chuck the hot dogs on there. I've got some tomato sauce and mild American mustard sauce because one does not have hot dogs without mustard. So let's go moment of truth and see how we go. All right, moment of truth. Oh yeah, I don't know if the GoPro can see that, but it's steaming in there. Oh yeah. Ooh, pretty warm. All right. Oh, all right. Moment of truth. I guess, actually I don't have anything to grab these out with, so I'm gonna have to stab them with my knife. So yeah, we'll stab them with the knife, chuck them in the hot dog buns, and let's go. All right, so I managed to just hold it from the inside here, but yeah. So we've got one there. Get off. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. And one there. All right. Just gonna put them in there. Let's go. One there. One there. And and plenty of mustard. Oh yeah, let's go. All right, let's bloody go. Whew. It's bloody hot. I can actually taste the watermelon. Sorry for talking with my mouth open, but that's surprisingly good. Like, it actually has like that sweet watermelon taste to it. I honestly didn't think it would get that hot. It actually worked really damn well. Hell yeah. So guys, unfortunately, I'm going to end the video here, but if you've made it this far, thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button to become a subscriber. Now, if you want to try this, go ahead. Feel free to tag me in it on Facebook, or DM it to me on Instagram, or even tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. I'd love to see your creative ideas. And yeah, so I'm gonna sit here, enjoy the rest of my hot dogs. But like I said, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Yo! Cheers guys.